In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can solve this question. It looks complex, right? But trust me, it is very, very simple. So in just 2 minutes, I'll be explaining to you how you can solve this question. So stick around till the end of the video. Now looking at this is 3 and 5. Of course, we can say this should be, you know, 3 raised to the power of x, okay, multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x squared. This 15 can be changed to be 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now it makes a lot of sense. So that is, we can say that this 3x, 3 raised to the power of x, can be equal to 3, and at the same time, 5 raised to the power of x squared can be equal to 5. That is, from this 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3, okay, it is 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 1. That is, this is cancelling this. So x is equal to 1. When it comes to this as well, this is 5 raised to the power of x squared being equal to 5 raised to the power of 1. That is, x is cancelling x. So we have this to be x squared being equal to 1. Now taking the square root of both sides, this should be 1, that is plus or minus 1. Okay, that is x is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. Now, what is the answer to this value, to this question? Is it x equal to minus 1 and 1? Okay. Is it just minus 1 or is it just 1? Now, let me show you how we can actually check that. Now, looking at this, we have 3 raised to the power of x, which will be, let's test for minus 1. Okay, 5 raised to the power of minus 1 all squared. 3 raised to the power of minus 1 gives you 1 over 3, and this will be 5 raised to the power of, which is still 1. Okay, that is, we are having this to be 5 over 3. This is not equal to 15. So it shows that minus 1 is actually not part of the answer. Okay, now checking for 1, this is 3 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 squared. That is, this is 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1, because 1 squared is still 1. So this is actually making sense. So that is the final answer to this question is x being equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in my next video.